पाप विमोचनम योगः चित्तवृत्ति निरोधः समत्वं योग उच्यते योगः कर्मसु कौशलम. The 8 limbs of yoga: yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyanam, samadhi. We have already covered the subjects. This is only an explanation which can be easily followed for everybody. I told you that Yoga Darshan is acceptable for all the people of the society. A scientist, a gentleman, a sailor, a quaker, a mechanic, an engineer, maybe an artist, a lawyer, even prisoners, a policeman, a fancy man, a cobbler, a butcher, the drivers, anybody, even a rowdy can follow yoga. Understand? It is not that only saints or brahmacharis or the scientists of higher traditional truth following people, personalities can follow yoga. Yoga is for all. So, in the 8 limbs, once more I repeat, yama, niyama, asana, pranayama and pratyahara considered to be the outer sadhanas, the external sadhanas, the bahiranga sadhanas. Dharana, dhyanam and samadhi, these 3 are considered to be the antaranga, internal sadhanas. The performance of yoga is only up to contemplation. After contemplation, the contemplator becomes with the contemplated, and there is no contemplation. You are one with the self. You become one with your own self. That is the position, the stage of meditation. Of course, what nowadays you all are following is also on the name of meditation, but truly speaking, they are not meditation, they are a part of contemplation. Through contemplation, you reach the ultimate stage called meditation. The extended long period of meditation becomes samadhi. The equanimity of Jagrat, Swapna and Sushupti, equanimity of body, mind and intellect, equanimity of all the panchakoshas, equanimity of Stula, Sukshma, Karana, Sharira. Let us see the 5th darshana called Mimamsa tomorrow. So, Nyaya Darshana of Gautama Maharshi, Vaisheshika Darshana of Kanata Maharshi, Sankhya Darshana of Kapila Maharshi, Yoga Darshana of Patanjali Maharshi are the 4 darshanas which are indirectly connected with our holy Vedas. Now, let us see the direct connection to our holy Vedas tomorrow. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.